Hey guys, Olina with iFoodReal.com here. Today I'm gonna show you how to make overnight oats, and we will be making them in 6 flavors. Overnight oats take 5 minutes to prep, and it's a healthy breakfast on the go full of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and fruits. Overnight oatmeal became so popular that many grocery stores sell them prepackaged, but who needs that? You can make your own at home. Let's do it. What are the best jars for making overnight oats? So here we have regular canning 8-ounce mason jar. It is a little bit too small. I recommend to use 16-ounce mason jar. The lid, the 2-piece lid that comes with it is perfect for on the go. It is leak proof. However, I do not love the 2-piece feature of it, so I got this plastic lids on Amazon, and whenever I'm eating the overnight oats at home for breakfast, I just use the plastic lid. Okay, let's do it. 6 flavors. First one is peanut butter and jelly. I'm using my favorite Califia almond milk. So all you have to do is add some almond milk or any milk, a little bit of yogurt, it can be Greek yogurt or regular yogurt, dash of vanilla, maple syrup, then a little bit of your favorite jam, and peanut butter. You can literally use what you have on hand. I'm using natural, organic, smooth peanut butter. You can use crunchy one. Without salt is better. And then as for oats, make sure to stay till the end of the video where I show you how oats look with quick oats and steel cut oats. So I'm adding rolled oats, a little bit of chia seeds, and look how comfortably I can stir the overnight oats in 16-ounce jar. Now you refrigerate. And this is what it looks like next day. I made some ahead. You top it with fresh raspberries and more peanuts, and it's delish. Flavor number 2, tropical overnight oats. We're starting by adding some canned coconut milk, and then you still need almond milk to make overnight oats good, proper consistency. Then you add your yogurt, maple syrup, honey works too, dash of vanilla, some coconut flakes. I'm using unsulfured, long. And then for pineapple, I had canned pineapple in its own juice. You can also use frozen, no problem. Then again, your rolled oats, chia seeds. Beautiful. And again, you can stir very, very comfortably. And refrigerate overnight or for at least 4 hours. And here you have it. How beautiful that looks. Well, now we're getting fancy. This was my kid's favorite overnight oats. Flavor number 3, pumpkin overnight oats. This would be perfect in the fall. So again, there is your base, just milk, yogurt, maple syrup, vanilla, and we're adding a little bit of pumpkin puree, just canned puree, or if you make your own, even healthier. And then pumpkin pie spice, you can make your own at home. I will link to the recipe in the description. And then again, oats and chia seeds. So you probably noticed there is like the same base and then just a little bit of flavor variations. Next day, top it with walnuts and chocolate chips. Why not? Flavor number 4, blueberry overnight oats. These are super easy because I always have blueberries in my freezer. You can use fresh or frozen, and a squeeze of lemon. And in case you're wondering if milk and yogurt curdles with that lemon juice, no, it does not. And then your regular suspects go in there. Next day, you just top it with more blueberries, that's more antioxidants, and coconut flakes, healthy fats. Here you have a healthy breakfast on the go. Flavor number 5 is chocolate. This one is decadent dessert. That's healthy. So you have almond milk, yogurt, a little bit more maple syrup because we will be adding cacao powder. You can use cocoa powder, cacao powder. Cacao powder is healthier because it's less processed. And then we have rolled oats, chia seeds, and this one was really, really creamy and delish. There you have it. It's like a thick, thick chocolate pudding topped with mini chocolate chips. Flavor number 6, last one, banana overnight oats. This one is easy to make because I don't know about you, but we always have bananas in our house. Milk, yogurt, vanilla, then you just take half banana, or you can do more, mash it up, add it in. It does not change flavor, it stays beautiful. And then a little bit of cinnamon, oats, chia seeds, stir it up. You can top it with banana slices in the morning, sure. And there you have 6 flavors of overnight oats. And here I'm gonna show you. So in case you're wondering, this is overnight oats made with quick or instant oatmeal, and on the left are oats made with steel cut oats. So here's what it looks like with quick oats. It is creamy and they do fall apart more, but honestly, these overnight oats were delicious. I know many recipes say not to use them, but I actually loved them. And then steel cut oats, surprisingly, that was overnight, was enough time to soak them up, and they were quite good and with a little bit of chew. So this is honestly a win in my books. This is one of my favorite breakfasts. Hope you enjoy, guys.